Friday, March 29, 2024, Good Friday of the Lord's Passion, Day for the needs of the Church in the Holy Land. Focus. He was wounded for our transgression, He was crushed for our iniquities. We could greatly benefit by taking time off to go to today's lengthy reading of Christ's passion and death and reflect on it prior to the service. Many of the situations described are similar to those we ourselves have experienced in our lives. Mary suffered silently, watching all that was happening. Knowing this was the will of God, she did not try to thwart it, even though her motherly instincts must have made her bite her tongue or long to run and help her son. Similarly, many of us have to helplessly watch our children suffer from illness, injustice, or life's other hazards. Jesus suffered physically, but He also suffered emotionally when He was deserted by His friends, when falsely accused, when the people showed ingratitude despite all the good He had done for them, and when the soldiers taunted Him even though He was the Son of God. It must have been so hard for Jesus to pray when He was experiencing all this, but He did not give up. Likewise, even when we feel too discouraged to pray, we must stop. We must not stop. There are many other parts of Christ's passion that help us reflect on the similarities of situations that we or someone we know may be going through. Fruit. Whenever I am discouraged or in despair, let the passion narratives be my comfort and strength.